Hey there. We're back. It's been a few weeks. We were on vacation, and then we took a week off to get things back in order. And then I got sick, and I'm still healing from that. So we got a lot to catch up on. We did get the garden planted, and we'll show a full garden tour next week. And we've got to get back on track with breads. But this week, we've got a vacation video for you. So enjoy.
Hey guys, welcome to vacation.
Welcome to vacation.
Yeah.
We are in Iron Mountain. We're at a ski lift, actually. It's summer, so it's not in operation, obviously. But look at this view.
So gorgeous here, you guys.
So gorgeous.
It dips right down, which is a bit scary, but to get here was gorgeous. We went through a city, and their motto was the beautiful scenic
Niagara was the city.
Yeah.
It was actually a small town.
The scenic. Something about scenic was beautiful.
Yeah, so this is the first stop on our way to Mercer, Wisconsin.
Yeah, and we're gone for a week.
We are gone for a week.
We saw some deer in someone's backyard on the way here.
Yeah, there was like 6 deer.
Yep.
Just roaming through someone's backyard, like in the middle of a
Area of houses. Yeah.
Yep. I think we're a little loopy because we're so high up. There's no oxygen up here.
Yeah.
So.
All right. I'll show you around here and bring you on the journey.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right.
Okay. You guys, it's so beautiful. Look at those stairs. Yikes. All right, let's go back up.
So yesterday I decided to take us on a little wildlife viewing trail area that turned into life-threatening situations. No, not really, but well, maybe if there was some bear around, but we almost got stuck a few times, but we made it out. But today we're at the North Lakeland Discovery Center, and we're walking. We're walking trails, and it's nice. It's a little chilly out, but yeah, just beautiful silence. Beautiful silence in the forest.
Son.
All right, so I forgot to hit record, but we started a bike ride. And now we just got to a lake. So peaceful. Okay, now I'll record the rest of our bike ride. Hey there. How'd that go? Yeah. Yeah, I bet. So we're up here at the cabin, and I decided to make the buffalo roll recipe, only using pizza ingredients. So I got my dough here. Funny story with the dough. So you do the pre-ferment overnight, and then I mixed everything together this morning. And then Berta went out on the kayak on the lake this morning. And so I figured I'd bring the dough down there and do my stretch and folds while waiting for her to come back and enjoying the view. And it's just gorgeous down there. Anyway, it was pretty cold down there. So I think it was just too cold, like being in a fridge, to actually rise. So we let it, once we brought it back up, I put it in the oven with the light on, and we've let it rise for over 2 hours. And it's still not completely risen, but I think it's still going to work just fine. So yeah, just wanted to show that we're making pizza rolls today instead of buffalo rolls. And this is going to be great. I feel like it's going to be a lot better than the buffalo rolls. So we got some mozzarella, and we've got these big pepperonis. Then I'm just going to rip up. All right, do we think that's about good?
Yep.
All right. I've got my homemade tomato sauce here. Just going to drizzle it. Drizzle it like we did the buffalo sauce. We'll save the rest for dipping. All right. Now we're just going to roll it up. And we're going to pinch the seams. So we're going to cut this up into sections again, just like we did before. All right, so now we'll let them proof on this pan for 30 to 45 minutes or until they're marshmallowy, and then we'll transfer them to this and shoot them right into the oven. Check these guys out. Seems to have worked. Oh yeah, they come right off too. Gosh, that's going to be a good one.
It's gonna be like cinnamon rolls where you get gooey inside.
Yeah, totally. So yeah, you can make pizza rolls instead of buffalo rolls if you want. Now we'll show you the view on the deck as we eat. So we're at a place called Winman Trails. It's a bunch of mountain bike trails, and they've got hiking trails through the whole thing. You can see on the side here is all the different jumps and stuff on this particular mountain bike trail. It'd be super fun if I had a mountain bike. I would definitely try it on my hybrid bike though, if we brought those.
Maggie, come.
But we're just hiking today with Maggie. And they allow dogs, and they allow dogs to be off leash. So Maggie's been taking the mountain bike trails for us. All the different gap jumps and drops and fun stuff. Here we are just boring walking. What's that? You afraid of the sign? Yeah, you are. So you're afraid of everything.
What's the problem?
Oh,
Jeez.
yeah. Yikes.
Sign don't stand a chance, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, good
Yep.
girl.
It doesn't actually move.
Yeah, good job. See you later, sign.
Oh, never a dull moment with a nervous dog. So then we went to a place called Little Bohemia, and it's actually the site where John Dillinger had a shootout with the FBI. And it's also the site where they filmed the movie Public Enemies, which is based on those events. And you can see the bullet holes still in the walls, and the windows are shattered. They have them encased, but they still have the original windows in them. And it's still decorated like it was in the 1920s. So, really cool little place. So we had dinner there, and Berta ordered a Brandy Alexander, which is an ice cream drink. But there, it doesn't come as a drink. They actually make it into an ice cream. Look at that thing, it's huge. So we shared it, of course, but the food was excellent, and I would highly recommend it.